Structure of the Earth. Before I started discussing about the structures of the Earth, I created a model representing its structures. The materials you'll need for this are a pencil, scissors, colored papers, cardboard, colored markers, and a glue or a paste.
Hello everyone and good day! Now before we start the discussion about the structures of our home planet, let me give you some facts that you might not know yet. Did you know, according to NASA's website, our home planet Earth originally came from the Old English word Eartha, and in German it is Erdi, which simply means the ground. The name Earth is at least 1,000 years old, and all the planets except for Earth were named after Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. You also know that the Earth is the biggest of the 4 planets closest to the Sun, all of which are made of rock and metal. Earth is also the 5th largest planet in our solar system, and the only world which has liquid water on the surface. Did you know all of that? You probably did. You probably don't. Now let's begin discussing the structures of the Earth. Now Earth is divided into 4 major components: the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. And according to NASA, each layer has a unique chemical composition, physical state, and can impact life on Earth's surface. Now let's get into it. Right here is the crust. The crust consists of everything you see right now: the soil, different kinds of rocks, oceans, plants, trees, everything. The crust, which is the ground that we are walking and living in, is almost 3 times thicker than the crust under the oceans. It is the brittle outermost layer of the Earth, which has 2 types: oceanic crust and the continental crust. The oceanic crust ranges from 5 to 10 kilometers thick and is composed of different kinds of basalts. The continental crust ranges from 25 to 70 kilometers thick and is composed of different kinds of granites. Crust, shockingly, is only 1% of Earth's total volume. The Earth's crust floats in what is called the mantle, which is a layer that consists of only very hot molten silicate rocks, which is the thickest and largest layer of the Earth. Extends to a depth of 2,900 kilometers, making it about 84% of Earth's total volume. According to Wikipedia, its movements, that is caused by the variation of heat coming from the layer lying beneath, which is the core, causes the plates to shift, which can cause earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. These natural hazards then change our landscape and in some cases threaten lives and property. Its 2 parts is separated by the transition zone, which is a discontinuity between 2 mantles. The upper mantle, which is cool, strong, and hard, consists of very thick layers of rocks, and lower mantle, which in contrast is hotter and denser. The layer lying beneath the crust and the mantle is called the core. Now, this layer is the center and innermost part and hottest layer of the Earth. It is important because it is the source of the Earth's magnetic field. The core is also divided into 2 parts, both made from iron and nickel. The liquid outer core stands as a boundary between inner core and the mantle. It is 2,250 kilometers thick, and is made up of super hot liquid molten substance called lava. According to a website called Society, this lava is believed to be composed of melted nickel and iron. The solid inner core is made up of a solid ball that is composed of iron and nickel. This is the hottest part of the Earth, and it is as hot as the surface of the Sun. That's it for our discussion of the structures of the Earth. I hope you enjoyed watching this and at the same time learned something new. Thank you for watching. Bye!